Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making Cedarsmoked Brie cheese on the Karma pizza oven from WPPO. So the first thing that we need to do is get a good fire going in the pizza oven. So an easy way to build a fire is to place a couple of pecan chunks at the front of the grill and use the Fogo all-natural Fogo starter. And then I love the loop lighter. Place the loop lighter close to the Fogo starter and start it up. When you get sparks, move back the loop lighter and allow their fans to do the rest of the work. In a couple of minutes, you will have a great fire going. Now we have a really good fire going, so it's time to start preparing the Brie cheese. Start by removing the Brie from the packages. Sprinkle the top of the Brie cheese with some Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. And then you want to spread an even thick layer of strawberry jam on top of the Brie cheese. Finally, top them off with some jalapeno peppers. The pizza oven is now sitting at an inner temperature of 550 to 600 degrees. So it's time to insert the Brie cheese and cook it until it's almost melting. Halfway through, you can turn the Cedar Plank 180 degrees. When the Brie is melted, you want to remove it from the Karma pizza oven and then serve it on a sliced baguette. And that is how you make Cedar Plank smoked Brie cheese on the Karma pizza oven from WPPO. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Come on. That is so good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.